Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In last video, we saw the letter W. In this video, we are going to see about the letter X. The sound of letter X and few words that starts and ends with X. This is a capital X. This is a capital X. This is a lowercase x. This is a lowercase x. And the sound of letter X is X. The sound of letter X comes in the beginning and at the end of the words. Come, let's see few words that starts with letter X. X for Xmas. X, X, Xmas. X for Xmas. X for X-ray. X, X, X-ray. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X, X, xylophone. X for xylophone. Now let's see few words that ends with letter X. X comes in ox. X, X, ox. X comes in ox. X comes in box. X, X, box. X comes in box. X comes in fox. X, X, fox. X comes in fox. X comes in wax. X, X, wax. X comes in wax. X comes in six. X, X, six. X comes in six. Now you all know the sound of letter X. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter X is X. Let's see the next letter Y in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.